Today we're diving into another epic foodie adventure with the amazing Lip Smacking Foodie Tours. Now, if you have seen my channel before, you might have noticed that I have featured every single one of their tours. The people love them so much that they keep adding new ones. Now, this is going to be a little different because it is a celebrity chef food tour, and you guys already know we're going to have some good food. And who better to guide us than the very own Tom?
Hi, guys.
Tom has been our guide for majority of our tours, but don't worry, there's a lot more tour guys. It's not just him running them all.
I try my best, but I can only be so many places at one time, and there's a lot of restaurants.
So we're gonna be getting a lot of food, so I might need a little bit of help right here.
What up?
You guys don't know, this is George. He has his very own YouTube channel, and it's all about Las Vegas as well. You ready, George? We're gonna have a lot of food.
We're gonna be stuffed by the end of this.
Norma, welcome back. We're always happy to have you for another Lip Smacking Foodie Tour, and this is our brand new tour. As you just mentioned, it is our celebrity chef tour here at the LINQ Promenade. We get a lot of questions. People asking where are the best celebrity chef restaurants. Almost every celebrity chef in the world either has a Vegas restaurant or plans to open one shortly. And we're gonna sample 4 of the best and most famous of them, the signature dishes they're known for, and some of their other amazing dishes that have made them famous along the years. I'm excited to share our new tour with you.
I haven't had breakfast yet, so I think we're ready.
Welcome to the LINQ Promenade. And this place is pretty unique. It's thriving with energy, dazzling lights, street performers all throughout.
I actually have my very own celebrity chef video. None of the places that I featured in that video are on this tour. That's how many celebrity chef restaurants there are here.
Such a high variety here in Vegas, and I'm glad we're hitting some new spots.
Norma, welcome to our first restaurant of the day by celebrity chef Buddy Valastro, or as everybody knows him, Buddy V, the cake boss. His Jersey heritage runs deep, and if you're familiar with Jersey, you know that their Jersey roast beef, his primo version of the sandwich, takes an herb-crusted roast beef placed immediately onto fresh baked bread made by one of the most famous bakers in the world and complemented with fresh hand-pulled mozzarella. And fresh hand-pulled mozzarella is one of the best cheeses in the world. If you've never had it freshly pulled right in front of you and then eaten it, it is truly special, and you get a chance to try some of that today.
I'm taking notes so I could learn to do this at home.
Here we've got the slow roasted, slow cooked, beautiful Italian style Jersey roast beef, finished up with both hot and sweet peppers on top with that beautiful melted mozz. On the side here, you have their basil pesto presentation over that hand-pulled mozzarella that was just made right in front of you. They hand pull it, top it off with a little bit of beautiful Italian olive oil, and the secret to any good roast beef in Jersey is you've gotta have au jus. Pick it up, dunk it in the au jus, let the bread soak it all up, and then take a big bite.
I don't like moist bread. It gets squishy really quick. This one doesn't. It kind of it still holds its shape.
It maintains the crunch. There's good sandwiches, and then there's Buddy Valastro sandwich.
Subway who? Cheers.
Cheers.
It's like biting into a cloud. Oh my god, and that pesto on the top.
Amazing.
This is just restaurant 1, so we have a lot more to try. If I was just here, I'd be like, can I have 10 more slices? Delicious. That first, I would come back on my own for that sandwich. And I may or may not have eaten the whole portion just now.
No, I was like, Norma, pace yourself. There's still a lot of room to have.
One down, 3 to go.
Let's go.
Norma, welcome to our second restaurant by celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay, and this is Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chip, the staple street food of the UK. He takes amazing, true, sustainable cod while other folks would use lesser fish. He breads it with a beautiful custard powder, this milk-based powder that helps the fish get extra crunchy on the outside, with fresh cut chips on the side and a selection of his handmade artisanal sauces like their curry mango, as well as their spicy sriracha aioli, and of course, their famous tartar sauce that is probably my favorite I've ever had. Follow me in. Norma, I have fish and chips for you. These beautiful true cods have been fried with that custard batter, served up with their house-cut chips. And this wouldn't be Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips if you didn't have his special, amazing, famous, house-made, from scratch tartar sauce. Give the lemon a squeeze over everything, dip it in the sauce, and take a bite. Enjoy. Crispy, nice and hot. I can literally see it steaming.
It tastes almost like it's beer battered.
You got it.
Or something like that. Yeah.
That's that custard powder. So that milk powder, it's a base to make custard, gives you that really nice kind of creamy, almost beer flavor to it.
Hot.
Careful.
Some papitas.
It is hot. And it's delicious. Wow. The lemon definitely enhances flavor. And it's not overly crispy. It's like soup, still soft.
Just the right amount.
Just the right amount. Street food, right?
Yeah, so in England, same like here. You would just walk up, you'd wait in line, and then we'd fry it up in front of you, you wait for it to finish. With us, the Lip Smacking Foodie Tour, you walk right in, chef actually hand prepares your dish for you and just hands it right to you. And then we can either sit here out front and enjoy the beautiful weather, or we can grab and walk as we enjoy and check out some of the amazing sights of the promenade.
So they just see his face and they're like, all right, get him whatever he wants.
It's kind of how it works.
Puppy that time. Hey, stop looking, focus, we're working.
We got things to do, Norma.
The Chippendales. Oh, and then another thing, I ate all of my fish and chips. I mean, I ate the whole fish. That was so delicious. I couldn't stop.
Wait, what is
It was so good.
We've done 2 restaurants. We had Buddy Valastro, Buddy V, we had Gordon Ramsay, and now we're going to one of my favorite celebrity chefs of all time, Guy Fieri. His restaurant is as bold and as brash as he is, and I'm excited to welcome you in for his signature Koreatown tacos. And of course, you can't come here and not enjoy his trash can nachos, which are a show in and of themselves. So Norma, as you know, on our Lip Smacking Foodie Tours, we always have the optional beverage package. Here at Guy Fieri's, we feature the strawberry margarita. Everything perfect about a margarita. It's big, it's bold, it's boozy, just like Guy. All finished up with a beautiful salt rim, fresh strawberry, fresh lime, made with premium Blanco tequila.
Oh, that's good. That's so good. Yeah, usually in our Lip Smacking Foodie Tours, we always add it on, but today we're like, we're starting at noon. Let's survive today. But it's so good, guys. It's so good.
For the record, I have no problem drinking early. Oh yeah, extremely refreshing. Wow, this is really good.
Bite that strawberry, George. Bite it.
Beautiful nachos have tumbled down, but that's just how you enjoy them. These nachos are made from scratch. House-made tortilla chips finished up with a sour cream-based crema, a beautiful house-made pico de gallo, cilantro, pickled red onion, and most importantly, you've got their beautiful mesquite pork, which is decked out with SMC. SMC is super melty cheese. It is Guy Fieri's secret to making everything delicious. They garnish their burgers, their nachos, and so many different things with it. That super melty cheese coats every single bite.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh, these are heavy.
Yeah,
It's like as big as like my head.
It is big as your head. Some of those pickled onions, oh, or all of them. SMC, super melted cheese. Cheers.
Careful, careful.
It's like falling apart as we're eating it.
That is the whole point.
I feel like I could never have any other nachos ever again, because unless it's like made like this, it's not the same. And then every other nachos, all the toppings are just on top. This is like in there, all of it, all the nooks and crannies. Guys, you should wear dark colors when you come to this, because you're probably gonna get it all over yourself.
Norma, these are the Koreatown tacos. We want to show you not only what chef is most famous for, but we want to give you extra dishes that they've made famous along the way. These Koreatown tacos are a staple here. Corn tortillas are finished up with a beautiful marinated ribeye that's been sliced down and served up with a house-made kimchi. Finished up with a little bit of fresh jalapeno and that gorgeous lime avocado mashed over the top. When you enjoy these, don't forget to get lime on top.
Like I bit it thinking I knew what it was gonna taste like, but it's not.
I'm surprised.
It's like I went to go get Korean barbecue, and you just put that in a taco, almost.
Yeah, the meat is very tender, extremely juicy, and then the avocado tortilla and meat are always going to be a go-to. But the kimchi, I'm a big kimchi guy. I eat kimchi at home just for fun.
I feel like the meat definitely kind of has like a sweetness to it.
It does, it does.
Just a bit. Approve of this taco. Stamp. George! He's here!
The
He's
man
here.
himself.
Oh my god, where he goes?
The guy, the myth, the legend.
There you go. That was really good. I definitely ate the whole taco. I didn't eat all the nachos though, because I think we're getting full. But we have one more spot that is gonna complete the cycle. Let's do it. We gotta cross the street, but we have to make sure we don't jaywalk.
No jaywalking here.
Not allowed if you're with Norma. We would like to not end up like squish bugs.
Welcome to Caesar's Palace. This iconic resort is home to so many incredible celebrity chefs, and our final restaurant that is perhaps the sweetest. We are here at Dominique Ansel. This beautiful donut meets the croissant is Chef Ansel's perfection. He is also known not only for that cronut, but the DKA, a Queen Amande. Dominique's Queen Amande. Multiple layers of buttery bread stacked over top of each other and baked in the oven fresh, and you will get to try both of them. So you have to decide whether you're on Team Cronut or Team DKA. The cronut is seasonal and they rotate the flavors and they never repeat. This month we are doing a beautiful guava and elderflower filled cronut with a guava cream right over the top. Next to that is that heavenly pastry, the DKA. This is Dominique's favorite pastry to eat, so he had to master it and make his own version.
Which one are we starting with?
I really want to try the pink one.
The pink one? Let's go for it. Okay, I found my favorite one. I haven't even tried the other one, and I know this is wow.
I feel so ashamed that I've never had this before.
Yeah, this is so good.
I usually don't care for sweets, but this is flaky and airy. Good amount of sugar on the outside. DKA. All right.
DKA. Dominique Queen Amande. It's also very good. I want some coffee with this.
So it's that buttery crust that kind of gives it that sweetness.
Yeah, it's this layer on top. Look at that. Oh.
DKA or
Cronut.
right.
Cronut.
Cronut.
Definitely Team Cronut too. Ooh. I think it's the fruit on the inside that I like. While George is still over here enjoying. This was such a great tour. All this right here, all the food we got was $99.
All of that food for $99, and it makes it one of our more accessible tours. So many folks have never tried our tours for various reasons, but now we've given people a jumping off point. If you're looking to try a lip smacking tour for the first time, the Celebrity Chef Tour is the one to do.
Out of all their tours, this is the most affordable one, so you gotta jump on this one. And thank you to George for being with us. This was so delicious. We ate a little too much, and now we have to go walk it off the strip.
Yeah, that was way too much food. Too much delicious food at that.
So as always, guys, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment below which tour are you gonna try. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Wait, this isn't the phone?
I know, right? It looks like butt cheeks.
Yeah, I'll never let you be a squishy bug. It's part of my job.
Hey, stop looking. Focus. We're working.
Got things to do, Norma.
The Chippendales.
All right, let's go. It's like a Happy Meal.